Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 7 of working through my minis in April. And that is the title I can remember today. So I have my $10 that I'm bringing every single day in the month of April. And I will be doing my best to finish as many challenges that I have in my minis and tiny stash. I'm very excited to be working on this. I'm going to use my lavender die today. So let's get our prop coins out first. And then we'll put our $10 in our bank. So I have my 5 and then 5 ones. Let's see where our paperclip is. It's on number 3. So we are going to start at number 3. And let's just mix these up. I hope you are doing well, having a good week so far. I am going to make sure everything looks okay. A little bit of glare, but not too bad. All right. Oh my goodness, we're going to try that again. 1 for number 3. Oh. 1 for number 4. We might be going around a few times. 2 for 5. 1 for 6. 2 for 1. 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. Ooh, 3 for 3. It's a little warm today. 1 and 2. I should have put my fan on before I started. 1 for number 5, but that is all right. 2 for number 6. We get to go back to 1 again. 1, 2, and 3. We still have some left. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so we will start on number 3 again. Put my little paper clip there. All right. I do have my little camera back so I can kind of see what's going on. That helps so much when filming. All right, so number 1. Ooh, number 1 got $1, $2. And number 1 just needed 25 cents. This one is from Becca Budget 777. And we just needed 25 cents. This one saved us $6. That is so cool. So we still have $1.75. So let's go back to our extras. Oops, we have 2 of them. All right, I have this one from Stuff and Budget Candy, and this one's going to save $6. So we have $1.75. And I'm going to color this, and I'll be right back. All right, so that was $1.75, wasn't it? $1.25. Yeah, $1.75 goes in there. Great start for that one. And then number 2. Ooh, number 2 got $1, $2.50. And this one is the pink flamingos. All right, so let's see. I'm going to do a different color flamingo. Oh, did we finish this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, we did. We finished this. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75. All right. We finished this. I'm going to color these in and I'll be right back. Okay. I felt the need to do that. So that's going to be $3. And we still have 75 cents that we can put into another one. Let's go to the back. Okay, I have this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets, and we can do 75 cents. I love this one with the popcorn. So this will save $5. Can't believe we finished 2. All right, number 3. Ooh, all right. Number 3 got $2. Oops, the bow came off. All right, so this one is from Captain Snugglebeard from Mama B over, her name's MK, over at Mama's Budget and More. I'll use the orange today. So we can do $1, $2. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, 75, $1. And we already worked on the little minis or tinies with it, so altogether it will save us $6. Okay. I try to mix a little bit of like some smaller amounts and some bigger amounts. So this one is $1. This one is from Kimmy's Corner. Little Pac-Man ornament. So we need red and green. The correct red. Okay, so we can do $1. So we have red, green, green, red. All right, so this one will save us $5. I love how that's turning out. This one's going to be a little bit more editing because I'm going to have to fast forward all my coloring, but sometimes I just really get in the mood to color. All right, so number 5. Oh, number 5, we have $1.50. And this one is from Lauren at Budget with ADHD. And we only needed $1.25. So we have $1.50. So we have 25 that we can put to a new one. Perfect. All right, this will save us $3, and we have 25 cents to put to a new one. What do we have? What's a tiny one down here? Oh, another one from Lindsay. Little cat with a Christmas tree. This will save us $5. So let's do 25 cents. All right, and then our last one, number 6, is another $1. This one, oh, so close. We needed $1.25. So this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. But we can cross off 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we just have that one left. And then that one will save us $3. All right, so let's go back to the front. Let's grab our coins. Try to mix them up a little bit. And then let's see, we finished 6 and 3 is 9 and 3 is $12. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12. And then I keep all of my money back here, and I'll do a randomizer at the end of the month. And then all my challenges back here so I can do a big count to see how many we can finish. We finished 66 in March, so I just want to beat that. And that is it. That is all I have for day 7. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. Thank you for indulging me with my little coloring and fast forwarding through that. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.